Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials and then act immediately. Verify the server is a domain controller with a static IP and correct DNS entries. Network reachability matters. Sign in with a local or domain admin account so you can run Server Manager or Elevated PowerShell. Once done, open services and check Active Directory domain services and DNS server status. If stopped, attempt a controlled start. If a service fails to start, note the error code for the next diagnostic steps. Now you dig into diagnostics to find the root cause. Open Event Viewer and focus on directory services, DNS server, and system logs. Look for replication, authentication, or service startup errors that timestamp with your failure. Run dcdiag and netdiag or appropriate PowerShell tests, then review ipconfig/all and ipconfig/registeredns outputs to verify DNS registration. Check AD service dependencies and the NT authority /system or service account permissions. Replication or sysvol issues commonly block AD startup, so trace any KCC or replication failure messages. Complete the repair by applying targeted fixes and then verify success. If DNS or SRV records are wrong, correct them and restart NetLogin and ADDS services or perform a controlled reboot. Use NET stop/start for graceful restarts. For broken replication, run replication commands or perform metadata cleanup and authoritative or non-authoritative restore only when necessary. Once done, rerun dcdiag and repadmin to confirm healthy replication and no critical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.